Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Remove the controller screw plugs and use a PH2 bit to remove the 5 screws securing the power cables to the controller. Remove the 3 plugs connected to the controller. Use a H5 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the controller to the frame. Replace with a new controller and tighten with the screws. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the seat assembly. Close the battery compartment cover.